So, have you revised the I sound, O sound and A sound? Must revise all these sounds. Okay, daily revise करना है. Okay, again I am here with English class with same sound, I sound. Today we will do if words. Okay, what is this? This is a bib. Who use the bib? Small babies use the bib. जब वो ममा उनको बॉटल से दूध पिलाती है, ममा यूज द बिब नहीं पहनती तो क्या होता है? स्प्रेड हो जाता है, गिर जाता है, खाना गिर जाता है. So the small baby wear the bib. This is bib. Before if we will write here b, bib, bib, and this is nib. Nib kahan? Where you can see the nib? Nib, pen. Pen. What is pen? You know that. Papa, mummy, or your elder brother, sister, they use the pen. You are small kids, so you use the pencils. जो एडल्ट लोग यूज करते हैं, that is called pen. और पेन के आगे का पोर्शन that is called nib. और स्पेशली देयर इज अ पेन जो हम इंक जिसके अंदर फिल करते हैं, उसके अंदर एक पॉइंट सी ऐसी सेम ऐसी शेप की होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड निब. पेन में जो लगती है दैट इज कॉल्ड निब. बिफोर इफ वी विल राइट हियर ब निब. सी दिस इज द पेन. ओके, पेन के आगे दिस शेप, it is called nib. Okay, fine. And what is this? ये तो एक्सरे के जैसा लग रहा है. Right. ये एक्सरे ही है. एक्सरे में हमारा क्या आया है? ये हमारा स्किन है. स्किन के ऊपर हमने क्लोथ पहनी है. We wear the clothes on our body. बॉडी के अंदर का जो पोर्शन है, जब स्कैनिंग करते हैं, जब एक्सरे लेते हैं, वो अंदर का पोर्शन उसके अंदर आ जाता है. हमारी जो ये वहां पे हम टच करेंगे तो हमारे को फीलिंग होती है. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिब. बिफोर इट वी विल राइट हियर रिब. वन मोर टाइम वी विल रिवाइज. बिब, निब, रिब. After ib sound, what you will do? You will read the words, all that previous words of sound of I. You will read this page. Okay? You will read like this. Lit, kit, hit, sit, bit, fit, pit. Okay? After that, read in sound. Win the prize. 10. You can keep something in this tin. This is pin. There is one more pin, that is safety pin. This is bin. Throw the garbage in the bin. This is fin. And after that, you will read this bib, nib, and rib. Read it nicely and don't forget to revise A and O key sound. Must read that pages also. Again we will meet with another class. So kids, already we have done 3 sounds, it, in and ib sound. So what we will do? We will make a scrap file. उससे क्या होगा? We will revise that and read all the it and in words. और हम जब पिक्चर्स के साथ करेंगे, when we will make like a book like this, scrapbook like this, ये हमारी अपनी बुक हो जाएगी. It will be our book. See, I made this book. This is hit. Her, eat, hit. Let's do another word. Sit. It is here. So let's find out sir. Sir ढूंढेंगे. Yes, yes. No, no. So, sit, sir, eat, sit. Next picture is kit. Again, we will keep it down. इसको बीच वाले को down करेंगे. It is already there. So, we will find out k. K, k, no, no k, no. No, no, aha. K, eat, kit. It's a medical kit. So, you will make a scrap file like this. देखिए मैंने kit से it वाली all the words are here. It's a bit, then pit, then say fit, lid, win, bin, pin, fin, tin, ऐसा Pepsi tin, bib, rib, and nib. And like this, we have these three sounds are here. It, in, and ib sound. And here I paste all these letters related with these pictures. H is here, hit, bit, lit, pit, no, it will be rib. जब हम ये वाला पेज निकालेंगे, wait, I'll show you. Where is rib? Where is rib? Yes. It will be matched with it. R, ib, rib. ऐसे ही nib. We will find out na. We will find na, ib, nib. ऐसे ही you will make a scrap file. मैम ने ऐसा बनाई है scrap file. You can make with your own idea. आप अपने आइडिया से बनाएंगे. But you have to make this type of scrap file. इस scrap file से what will be happen? This is a game. आप अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ, मम्मी के साथ, पापा के साथ, दादी के साथ, किसी के साथ भी बैठ के खेल सकते हैं. If you cannot make these pictures, so you can paste the pictures. But all of you have to make a like this. Either pictures, either letters, and these will be sounds. Okay, make it and send the video to ma'am.